All right, into our newsroom, Governor Kemp lays out the state's plan for evacuation scenarios if Hurricane Dorian comes this way.
That we are already weighing considerations on how to potentially handle evacuation scenarios, including evacuations out of Florida into Georgia inland from Georgia's coast, and what that may mean for traffic on our roadways throughout the southeast.
Chris, the governor says that we are not in a state of emergency yet, and he does not see it going that way. What's your view as you take a long-range look at this?
You know, we still have a lot of scenarios that can happen when we look at the computer models. The official track from the Hurricane Center does include part of the Georgia coast in that forecast cone. That's just the margin of error of where the center of the storm is going to go. So the Georgia coast still needs to be watching this. The models have been a little more consistent, though, lately for this to be a little bit more down to the south into Florida. And then after it moves into Florida, it's all up in the air as to exactly where the system is going to go next. Here's a live look. This is from a tower cam from our Earth Cam system here, showing what we're seeing over in the St. Thomas area in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Things are starting to improve there. It was a lot more active there earlier as the center of the storm moved through. Compare that to here in town where things are looking great. This is our view in Cobb County. Looking toward the west over SunTrust Park, we have a lot of sunshine, really comfortable air out there with lower humidity, but it's also still very warm. Here's the latest that we're watching right now with Dorian. It is a hurricane. It was upgraded to a hurricane earlier this afternoon with maximum sustained winds now at 80 miles an hour. So there's the center of the storm. It's now north of the islands. This is the U.S. Virgin Islands here. British Virgin Islands are here. It went over the St. Thomas and St. John area today with a lot of wind and rain. Now it's moving northward, and it's going to be over water for a while, so that's going to give it time to intensify. This is by 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. It'll be about a 90-mile-an-hour storm, and then up to a Category 2 on Friday. Category 3 on Saturday, and then that high pressure system in the Atlantic is going to help to drive this over into Florida, we think late Sunday night into early on Monday, and then it becomes a Category 2 storm as it's over land. I want to show you the difference in the models here. The yellow is the GFS, the blue is the Euro model, and what you're looking for here is the center of these circles, and this is into Sunday where the Euro is trending more to the south, the GFS is trending more to the north. We're looking for that landfall late Sunday and into Monday. And you can see here the GFS, if this takes it up more to the north, we would see more impacts in Georgia. But if it stays down to the south, we would see fewer impacts here. The Euro then takes this into the Gulf of Mexico, and that would be another landfall potentially on the Panhandle later next week, where the GFS kind of makes this die out over parts of South Georgia. So that is all going to be very important, exactly where it goes to determine what kind of impacts we're going to have. Meanwhile, over the next couple of days, we're going to be really dry. Look at these dew points going down into the 50s. Nice feel to the air. It's going to be warm in the afternoon, but some pretty comfortable mornings here before that moisture content comes back this weekend, all depending on what's going on with Dorian. We're going with a 10 on the wazometer tomorrow with a high of 89. Here's a look at the system. This is the Euro scenario that we see here. Dry conditions on Saturday, Sunday on the north end of this with just some scattered showers Sunday, also into Monday, and then we'll keep watching this very closely. That could bring more rain up into our area into the end of next week, depending on exactly where that goes. And we really hope that we can narrow down that track for you as the system gets closer to us. So here's what we're watching with that forecast: 89 Thursday, 88 Friday, mostly sunny the next couple of days, a few more clouds Saturday, lower rain chances Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But again, that depends on the track of Dorian.